Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python module which can download your Instagram videos directly inside your terminal. So there is a package here. Just search for this package yt-dl underscore p. I think this is actually the package here. So if you just search for this yt underscore dlp. So this is actually the package here. So what we need to do, simply execute this command. To install this, I have already installed it. So now just create a simple app.py file, and first of all we just need to import this module. So we simply say import yt, we import this module, and then we simply write the Instagram URL where the video is located. So you can take any post here. So we are taking this post, we copy the URL and paste it. So we provide this URL here, and then we need to provide some options right here like this. So here we specify this option, and so we need to download the full video, so we provide the path here. So after that we simply need to call this with yt underscore dlp, and it contains this function yt-dl, and here we pass this options that we specify, and as ydl, and here it contains this function ydl dot download, and then here we simply pass the URL that you specified. That's all. So this is the overall code required. So if I run this script now, so what will happen, it will go to the URL and it will download that Instagram's video. So we run the script here. So you can see it is downloading it. You can see 100% complete. So now the video has been downloaded. You can see that. So internally it is using the Instagram GraphQL API. It is communicating with that to download the video. You can take any example here. Let's suppose I take a different video, this video. So you just need the URL, and you need to paste the URL. Once again it will communicate with the Instagram GraphQL API. And the nice thing about this module, it's totally free. You don't require any API key. You can do it unlimited number of times. And once again the video has been downloaded in an MP4 format. You can see that. So with this module you can build out a web application where you allow user to submit the URL and then download the video automatically in the browser. So it's a great Python module communicating with the GraphQL Instagram API, and you just need the URL. You can see we simply paste the URL of the video and just run the script. So you can see we can do it unlimited number of time. So you can use this module to download Instagram videos. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.